seen. Oops. That didn't look. I was gonna. Okay, so I'll just put this camera over here right now. Okay. So what I was gonna do is carry this water over here and say what's up. Oh shit, okay. I just dropped it. Okay. So this is gonna go over here. Okay. So you have that. Okay. Now, and then there's this big knife. But, okay, I'm going to change this. And this. That's my measuring line, and then that is my cleaning dot. Sure, you're supposed to want to know all that. But, okay, so this has Himalayan pink salt in it. And yes, I pour a lot. But I have good reason. That's the salt. Okay. So, here's an Owen knife. Here is this. This is really good. And it's that knife. Okay. I hope that blue camera catches it. Okay, maybe I should close them on. Okay, so oops, a little more open, but that's okay. Hold on. Oops. Okay, it looks to be half as much. Oh, I'll just leave that one. Okay, I'm leaving the rest of it. So I'm going to slide this over there. Now I'm going to readjust the camera. And carry this. So I have a salt shaker. Carry this over. And then I'm going to trip. See, put it up over there. Pour the water. Sorry about this camera. Nice door. Pour the water up to that measuring line. Okay. Time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start. Okay, I'm uncomfortable with leaving this camera here near the microwave for the 12 minutes, so I'm taking that one back. Okay, and this one's going to be done because I need this, or else I can put it on top of the salt shaker. And this fun salt shaker. And yes, I am out of shape. Okay, so salt shaker. I'm going to start a new 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Guess I could have done it in one stream, but it might take longer than 30 minutes to get this. Okay, so I take this. And I'm taking this. Sorry. Hi. So now I'm taking this. Over here. I'm going to take Over here. We're gonna find out what one camera, or what happens to one camera. What happens to one camera and it's in your microwave. I hope it lives. Sorry. You wanna see Roscoe? He's my cutie doggy. Say hi, Roscoe. Say hi, Roscoe. You like the camera? You don't like the camera. Please say hi to the camera, Roscoe. Okay. He's my cutie doggy. Okay. I have 8 more minutes. Maybe I should change this camera angle. There's a reason that I bought a second action camera, 4K action camera, even though this is being recorded in 1080. It's because I tried to film myself cooking pasta with my cell phone camera and the blue camera, and it did not go well at all. Oh my god. It did not go well at all. I had a meltdown. I'm gonna go check. Oh, you're missing it. This is my cutie doggy. Yes. It's my cutie cat. Yes. I wish I could get a better angle on that. Take away this. Putting this back on. Maybe I should leave it down. I don't know. Oh. The camera isn't catching, but I just saw that. Oh well. Bear's out in the living room and Roscoe's falling. Oh. Bye. Oh. Yep, there's Roscoe. Bear's not anywhere around. I don't know if you can actually see that. So I'll turn this camera on it. Oh, this is probably not the best idea. Maybe. See a lovely sink. best idea if I did that, but oh well. Okay. Oh no, I can't. I wish I could see the back of this camera, because my cell phone camera, I'm looking at myself, but no, I can't see in the back of this blue camera because it's black. I guess that's to preserve energy. So maybe better. See, it's a blue camera. Yes. I guess I'm cooking the dry couscous right in front of my god. Oh well. Yes. Oh, okay. Maybe it should be looking like this. Yes. Maybe I'll swap out the cameras. I'll put them back. I don't know. So what I'm gonna do is put like maybe I'm too close. What I'm gonna do is put couscous in the water with the tortellini so it absorbs the water, so the couscous absorbs the water. Yeah, you'll see it. Can't explain it, but you'll see it. I have it written down though. Back. My cutie doggy is back. Hi, Rask. He wants his treats. Yes, it's very cute. Oh well. Oh, now I'm, yeah. I wonder if the other king is still working. Dash fast go. Okay, I'll be right back. Wait. Open the door and I wait 3 minutes. Okay, so this camera will get it. I don't know why I'm using this. Well, I actually have it pointed in 3 different directions. If I ever have to edit this video, then I'm up in the creek because I don't know which audio track to keep. Guess I'll keep cell phone audio track. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Yes. So it started at 39. Maybe you should keep it at 40, so I'll go check it at 43. No. I know you're a cutie. I'm gonna get myself in trouble for feeding you though. But, hold on. I don't know if this is a good camera angle. It's probably not, so hold on. Okay, hold on. He likes those treats. He loves them. So I opened it, put the lid there. Now, how do I put the camera where you can see it? Oh. Because my back is going to block it. So I'll let this out. The realizer loves go loves me. Okay, put this back up here. I'm just gonna close those. Oh, it's 43. Okay. So I'm gonna go get those. Is this thing still working? I hope so. Okay. So, it's still hot. Okay. Thank God for long things. Okay, here's the stone. much, but overall. Okay, I'm gonna leave that, and I'm gonna carry this back. Do you know it's 9:45? Oh my god. Nice lid. Okay, if I get this way. And I could just combine the two of these. Hold that thought. I'm just gonna leave this right here. I'm not gonna close it. That camera, cell phone camera, says 18 minutes and 28 seconds. Whoopsie. Okay, so I hope this camera got this. Oops. I hope it got it. Okay, so, just realized, maybe we'll be over wood. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this one off. Sorry. Okay, this one is off. Okay. Probably messed that one up on the yellow lid thingy. Okay, I am still keeping both containers, so. I think I spilled some out of it, but so far. Okay, thank you for watching. Good night.